Happening today, President Obama will be coming to Music City in just a few hours, speaking about the Affordable Care Act at Taylor Stratton Elementary School, as Leland pointed out. And that is where News Channel 5's Cuthbert Langley is this morning. And this is his second visit to Music City this year alone, right?
And Steve, for some perspective, it's going to be the second controversial topic President Obama is expected to be talking about. The first time he was here, he talked about immigration, and today, as you said, he's going to be talking about health care. You can see the barricades are set up and some folks doing some last-minute work here at the elementary school. And this comes on the heels of a major victory for the Affordable Care Act, or as it's known too as Obamacare. Just last week, the Supreme Court ruled that the subsidy part of the President Obama's health care plan is constitutional. But White House officials tell us today not to expect any sweeping proposals. Basically, the president is expected to be speaking with about 70 people, healthcare officials and other people who have benefited from Tennessee's healthcare plan as well. The big point that President Obama wants to talk about is how Tennessee has been able to reduce healthcare costs, because again, that's a big point of his Affordable Care Act. And Sky 5 is above to give you a good bird's eye view of everything here. You can see some of the big media trucks already here, some of those barricades set up, what I was talking about here. But basically, the president's exact time frame has yet to be released, but we are going to be covering this story from all angles, from the time Air Force One lands to the time it takes off this afternoon. We will be carrying the president's remarks live on News Channel 5, as well as streaming those comments on newschannel5.com. Now, when it comes down to when traffic will be affected by all of it, it's still unclear. Metro Police tell us to expect traffic delays and closures between the time of noon and later afternoon hours. But again, they haven't given us any specific time frame, obviously for security reasons. We do expect more than 120 Metro officers to be assisting with the president's visit today. So we will have much more coming up all day long. But for now, we're live here in Madison this morning. I'm Cuthbert Langley, News Channel 5 HD.